The first 9 chapters of Proverbs aren't just random sayings. They are an urgent appeal to choose your path. Life presents 2 fundamental invitations, one from wisdom, skillful living, and one from folly, shortcuts, and self-destruction. The foundation isn't about being religious, it's about humility, acknowledging you aren't the center of the universe, having the fear of the Lord. The following timeless wisdom nuggets, though not entirely new, have stood the test of time and continue to resonate today. These profound words, attributed to King Solomon in the Bible, are presented in a more contemporary manner, serving as the wisdom of the modern sage. Listen attentively to them, apply them to your life, and let the seeds of wisdom fall on fertile ground. Let them grow, and let them guide you towards success and happiness.
Realize you don't know everything. The fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. If you think you've already arrived, you're lost. Watch out for the crew that only hypes you up for dumb stuff, chasing easy money or cheap thrills. If their path leads to drama, cut them loose. They are sinking and want company. Guard your mental state like your bank account. What you consume determines what you produce. Don't let toxic inputs corrupt your operating system. Don't get seduced by the easy route. Adultery, shady deals, instant gratification. It looks good in the moment, but that path always ends in self-destruction. It's a direct route to rock bottom. Wisdom is shouting in the streets, trending on the internet, and sliding into your DMs. It's the blueprint for how the universe works. But most of you keep ignoring, doom scrolling.
Proverbs has a lot to say about work ethic, long before hustle culture was a hashtag. It ruthlessly critiques laziness and entitlement. Wealth, according to the sage, is generally a byproduct of diligence, integrity, and smart planning, not speculative shortcuts.
You won't secure the bag by doom scrolling. Lazy hands lead to poverty. Diligent hands bring wealth. It's simple math. Take a lesson from the ant. No boss, no manager, yet it grinds all summer to survive the winter. If you're sleeping through your prime years, winter is coming for you too. Winter is coming. That get-rich-quick scheme you found online? It's cap. Wealth built on scams vanishes fast. Real wealth comes from steady, honest work. Slow money usually outperforms fast money. Stop chasing every crypto pump and speculative bubble. Moving fast is good. Moving recklessly is fatal.
Strategy beats speed. Learn patience, master patience. Very important.
The borrower is always servant to the lender. Debt isn't just about money, it's about freedom.
Don't enslave your future self just to flex for strangers today. Think financial freedom.
In an era of constant broadcasting, hot takes, and comment sections, the wisdom of Proverbs on speech is critical. It highlights the power of words to build or destroy, and emphasizes the often overlooked strength in silence.
If you're always talking, you're probably saying something stupid. The wise know when to listen. Fools just want to hear their own voice. It is often wise to just shut up and listen. Don't feed the rage bait. A calm response disarms toxicity. Clapbacks might get likes, but they just escalate the drama. You don't have to attend every argument you're invited to. Sometimes, just chill. Gossip is toxic. If they're spilling the tea to you, they're spilling the tea about you. Keep your circle clean. Even a fool seems wise if they keep their mouth shut. You don't need a hot take on everything. Silence is often the strongest position. Dealing with trolls is a paradox sometimes. Don't argue on their level, because it drags you down.
But
Sometimes you have to shut them down so they don't think their nonsense is valid. Choose wisely.
The sage constantly warns against the dangers of pride, seeing it as the root of most failures. Self-awareness, the willingness to accept criticism, and a realistic view of oneself are presented as essential strengths.
Pride comes right before the faceplant. Your ego is writing checks your abilities can't cash.
Stay grounded, or the universe will humble you. Hashtag reality check.
If you have to tell people you're important, you're not. Let others praise you. Self-promotion can be cringe.
If you can't take criticism, you can't grow. Feedback isn't an attack, it's a gift. Only fools hate being corrected.
If you can control your temper, you're stronger than a warrior. Self-control often outperforms brute force. A good reputation is worth more than any bank account. Protect your name. It's the only thing you truly own.
We are shaped by the people around us. Proverbs offers practical advice on choosing friends, navigating romance, handling conflict, and the dynamics of family life.
Iron sharpens iron. Your friends should make you better. If your circle isn't challenging you, you need a new circle. Trust the friend who tells you the hard truth, not the yes man who flatters you. Real loyalty sometimes hurts. Fake loyalty is just manipulation. Doesn't matter if they're a 10 if their character is a 2. Beauty fades, drama is forever. Focus on the character glow up. It's better to be alone eating leftovers in peace than to be at a feast with people you can't stand. Be careful who you let into your life. Associating with angry, volatile people will make you angry and volatile. Energy is contagious.
The book concludes with the iconic description of the wife of noble character. This isn't just about marriage. It's a powerful image of wisdom applied in every facet of life: business, family, and community. It's the blueprint for a high-value life, regardless of gender.
Look, everyone's asking the wrong question. They want to know about quick wins and life hacks.
But real success? It's about building character that lasts. Let me break down what a truly powerful person looks like.
First off, they're grinders. I'm talking about people who are up early, managing their business, making smart investments. You know that person who actually bought property when everyone else was just talking about it? That's them. They're not sitting around waiting for opportunities to fall in their lap. They're creating them. That sounds exhausting, though. I know, right? Here's the thing. They have this inner strength and dignity that keeps them going. They don't get sucked into the drama everyone else is drowning in.
You know why? Because they're prepared. They can literally laugh at the future because they've done the work. That's real confidence. When they speak, they drop wisdom, and kindness is their default mode. They lead their household and their teams with intelligence and care.
So it's about being smart and nice?
Nah, you're missing the deeper point.
Everyone gets caught up in surface stuff, being charming, looking good, having the right image. But all that, it's smoke. It's smoke. Charm can be manipulative. Beauty fades. Instagram followers disappear.
Then what actually matters?
A person who has reverence,
Yeah.
reverence for life, for truth, for something bigger than themselves.
Someone with integrity baked into their core. Deep wisdom that comes from experience and humility.
That person, that's the real MVP. That's the legacy that outlasts everything else.
You make it sound simple.
Simple? Yeah. Easy? Not even close. But that's the blueprint right there. Build that kind of character, and you've built something that actually lasts.
We live in a world of endless noise. Everyone has a hot take. Everyone is selling a shortcut. But the wisdom of Proverbs isn't noise. It's the signal. It's the code written into reality. Dive into the book of Proverbs yourself and discover the timeless principles for mastering your life. To explore more of the Bible's profound lessons and see these stories reimagined, subscribe to Spirit Frames. Hit the notification bell because we have much more to uncover.